Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury, rules Gemini and Virgo, exaltation Virgo, detriment Sagittarius and Pisces, fall Leo, responsible, communication, skill, business, management skill, commerce, GIF, winged cap of God, represents, intellectual urge, the avenue of expression, anatomy, nervous system, brain, sight, mouth, tongue, respiratory system, hands and arms, general, ruler of all hormones. Keyword, reasoning ability. General, never located more than 28 degrees distant from the sun. Considered neuter. Rules reason, ability to communicate, intellect, awareness, dexterity, rationalization, transmission, words, opinion and sensory perceptions. Its action is quick, uncertain, volatile. Deals with travel, especially short trips, brothers and sisters, children, clerking, speaking, writing, bookkeeping, secretaries, neighborhood activities, letters and mailings, means of transportation, trade, emotional capacity and technique. Where you find Mercury in the chart shows where and how you communicate best. 12th house, it means mental health. It shows the state of your mind. Limitations, frustration, hidden strength, subconscious mind. Natural sign is Pisces. Natural ruler is Neptune. Keyword is subconscious. 12th house is a house of endings and water. Quality is Caden house. General. The 12th house reveals your unknown or potential strengths and weaknesses. This house shows suffering, restraint, disability, secrecy, seclusion, frustration and action behind the scenes. And it identifies places of imprisonment, prisons, hospitals, psychiatric institutions, etc., and restraint, inhibition, exile, secret enemies, potential dangers, self-disturbing issues and secrets. Honey. This house shows the things we hide from others. Research, foundation, subjective maintenance, inner consciousness, subconscious mind, spiritual debts to pay, karma, but also charity, sympathy and public welfare. It's often called the horoscope's wardrobe or trash bin because here we sweep away or hide too painful problems to face or difficulties we refuse to admit. Mercury in the 12th house. The planet Mercury in the 12th house of your chart shows that you have a vivid imagination and love to immerse yourself in fantasy worlds. This could be your own daily dreams and reflections, or it could be the wonderland of a good book. This can be a drawback early on in your learning, but can be put to good use as you mature. Magic and the mystical world is a powerful pull in your life. You are sometimes scared because of how much you like to plunge into the occult, but you are a risk taker when it comes to secret adventures. It is true that you must be careful not to go out of your depth. Depending on other influences in your natal chart, it is possible that you could spend some time in a mental institution, where you can resolve any mental imbalance in your life. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.